Bangalore, third most populous city in India, has about 14 lakh people living in about 600 slum areas. Due to poor medical attention and lack of affordability, many children lose their mother during childbirth. Due to poor financial conditions, people can't afford to bring up their children. Also, due to various other socio-economic conditions, these ill-fated children are abandoned. As a result, many children go orphan every year. These kids lose their valuable childhood and resort to various forms of activities just for a survival and are subjected to a lot of harassments. Child rescue organizations like Surabhi rescue these children. The story of these rescued children is heart-pounding. Rescued children are initially sent to UDC Center in Shantinagar and is a new beginning for every rescued child. Here, these children are taught basic cleanliness, good habits, and are allowed to play and socialize. Kids are also asked to exchange their thoughts with each other, meditate for some time, and also participate in bhajans for spiritual motivation. Once children complete their rehabilitation period, they are shifted to one of these 6 Surabhi centers. Here, daily routine of these kids be like wake up in the morning, do yoga, go to school, come back from school, have snacks, play for some time, tuition and study hour, extracurricular activities, have dinner, spend some time together, and then go to bed. Here is what these kids have to say.
ನನಗೆ ಮನೆ ಸುರಭಿ, ನನಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಮನೆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಥರ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾ ఇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ సిగ్తా ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ.
నా పేరు సాయి. నేను చదివి 3వ క్లాసులో మా ఇంటి నేను చదివేకి అప్పుడు అవ్వదు. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన తర్వాత బాగా చూసుకుంటారు. నాకు ఇక్కడ చాలా ఇష్టమైంది. ఇక్కడ ఉండాలనిపిస్తుంది.
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿನಾಯಕಣ್ಣ, ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸರ್, ಸಿದ್ಧರಾಜ್ ಸರ್, ಅನುಪಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಥರ ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದರ ನಂತರ ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನು ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
My name is Vinay. I don't have my father. And when I was in home, I don't have any chance to study. My mother admitted here. I came to Surabhi when I was 7th standard. Surabhi gave me so much opportunities to improve my studies and also to know my talents.
My father is ill and my mother is not there. I recently came to Surabhi Advaya. There are so many friends in Surabhi Advaya. I want to become an IS officer and help the society.
He has a point. Surabhi does exactly what is needed to get these children motivated towards their ambitions.
Mechanical engineer,
soldier, police, software engineer,
IS,
ಆಟೋಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್,
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೀಚರ್,
Kalesi software engineer,
ನೇತ್ರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್,
Anita craft teacher.
Many companies, as part of the CSR, Donors and well-wishers partner with Surabhi to make everything possible. Here is what our well-wishers have to say.
Hi, my name is Jyoti. We are taking care of around 25 boys. This experience is life-changing for me. End result of all of this is just the smiles and the security that we see in the face of the kids.
Hi, I'm Arpit. I'm grateful for Surabhi to give me this opportunity. About the children, you get a kind of connection with them. About 25 boys. All the smiles that these children get will touch a lot more lives and make a much bigger impact.
My name is Rakesh. I'm working in Oracle. With Surabhi, we are associated from last 5.5 years. Oracle is supporting Surabhi from last 5 years. Special about Surabhi is the way they take care of the kids and the amount of change what we see in them is tremendous. Next initiative of the Surabhi is to mentor these kids who are good in the sports. Our goal is to even make these kids to participate in the Olympic in the future.
We are happy to be associated with Surabhi. As part of our long-term engagement in CSR, we partner with EYKS to support education for 45 kids, wherein we got these kids admitted to the regular English school in order to improve their quality of education.
Atmano Mokshartham Jagadhitaya Chanta. For my own spiritual evolution, I have started my tapas and all. Service goes along with it. Tapasa Chiyate Karma, and also from service, giving back to the society as they call it now. It was my dream to have at least 100 girls to help them live a better life. My daughter helps me in it.
So if you educate a girl, you educate a household. You are ultimately contributing to the society in whole. Her vision was that at least in each batch, if you have 4-5 of them entering the government services, you can have people who will honestly serve the society with the values, with integrity.
I am Sidraju, advocate by profession and a legal advisor to Surabhi Foundation Trust. I am happy to be associated with Surabhi, which has taken service as a social movement and has been a ray of hope for many opportunity-deprived children. The future of these children is in your hands. Please lend your helping hands for the noble cause which Surabhi has taken for a better world and a better nation tomorrow.
ದಶಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದ ಹೊಸ್ತಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿರುವಂಥ ಸುರಭಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ 10 ಹಲವು ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಹಲವು ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಕನಸು ನಮ್ಮದು. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ವಸತಿ ಶಾಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುವುದು, ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಗಿರುವಂಥ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರತೆಗೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಶಾಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಹಿನಿಗೆ ತರಲು ಹಲವಾರು ಯೋಜನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಗೂಡಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ದಾನಿಗಳು ಈ ಯೋಜನೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂಬ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ನಮ್ಮದು.
Parents feel safe and glad that their kids are with Surabhi. All smiles? Here are more of them.
Thank you.
We are extremely happy to be part of this noble cause with Surabhi.
Best of luck to Surabhi and thanks.
எனக்கு சுரபி ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
I am proud to be Surabhi student. Thank you.
Thanks to Surabhi.